Hi Siji. First of all, I apologize for not sending the video earlier. With a newborn, it's so difficult. You hardly get to eat your meals at the right time. So this is not a big video, and it's not like very descriptive. Just how I taught Sanjana. It's just going to take a couple of minutes. So I was trying to find her Malayalam first standard textbook to show you something. I couldn't find it. Basically, they teach children letters in some random order. It's very difficult for them to remember that. So I think Malayalam and Hindi should be taught exactly like in the proper order, starting from A, E. They should have a mental picture. It's good to write these things in big letters and stick it somewhere in the kids' room so that they will have that picture, and it's easy for them to learn and remember, and also to recollect. Instead of learning Ra here, then a few words with Ra, and then Pa and Ta, it's very difficult. And one thing I found, which I cannot approve of, is that they teach a lot of words which we don't use in our daily lives. So it's very difficult for kids to remember Pangayam and Nyara and words like that. So I taught Sanjana the letters in the proper order, A, E, like that, and that took a lot of time. So when I was teaching her, suppose if I am teaching her the letter Pa, I would take a chart paper, I would just draw the outline, thick outline, and I would make Sanjana color this. So that means she'll be spending that much time on this letter. It will help her to remember this. So, and I take a couple of words which are very common, so the kids will remember, so they can relate to it. So for Ba, I have taken balloon and boat. So they use these two words very frequently. So it's very easy for them to have this picture, this letter for this. And I try to use, like, sometimes this I have just drawn the picture and color. Sometimes I take printouts. Here I have taken printouts and I make Sanjana cut out this much portion, and I make her stick. So she'll be working on this letter for a while, and then she'll remember it more. So I did like one full round of this. If there is some number, I would teach her that, because it's numbers also they have to learn to write. So, and here A is for N, and I put Sanjana's oil which she uses, so she'll remember it more. So A, there is 8 or 7, so I put that so that they will learn the numbers also. And like some words which they commonly use, or some of their things also you can take print out and make them stick. Like I have put Amma and a picture of me and Sanjana together, Achan her dad and Apupan her grandfather. This way she will remember this A is for these common words which I use, and she'll learn it in a more thoroughly. So I did a whole thing. So also when she completes a set that's from A, E to if she learns that, I'll give her some a reward, and I'll give her some maybe pocket money, maybe I'll let her buy a book. And after finishing A to then we start the next one, Ka, Ki. So and then there's repetition. You teach them a few letters, make them repeat. Like if if you're learning one letter tomorrow, and the second letter the day after that, the third day when I teach her the third letter, and when she's writing it by heart, I make sure that she knows the first two letters thoroughly. So like always repetition. If she's learning like A, E, on the fourth day she has to write all the 4 letters by heart. So spending more time on letters, using pictures so that they can relate to and remember, and then a lot of repetition. Writing is important, but along with writing, they have to say it aloud. That way they will know the correct pronunciation. They know the correct pronunciation. When they write it, they'll get it right. So if I'm taking A like this or any letter, she'll be doing this coloring. She'll be sticking this picture. Also, I took a plate, put some rice and made them write using their finger. That way they will get the shape right. Also, instead of like writing in the 2 line, the letters will be very small. I made her write like this. This is ha here. This is ba. Like that. So when she is learning one letter, she will be doing the chart and she will be doing this, not in a 2 line, but like little more bigger letters in a normal notebook. After learning the sound sort of letters from R to we start ka. But when she is learning ka, each letter, like when she is learning ka or ka, each letter I teach her to add the symbol. For example, if it is ka, I teach her ka plus a, ka plus e, ki, ka plus e, ki, and I make her write also like this. I make her write like this from ka to kam, and I make her say it aloud also. Also, maybe sometimes I give her like, I ask her to combine, like if she knows ku, I'll ask her to put da and read the word and tell me the meaning. That will be kuda and it's umbrella. Like that, when you're teaching this, you can make up small words and check whether they know the meaning, or that way they will know how to read. They will learn how to read. They will know how to read together, to join different letters and make it a word. So this is one thing that's how I taught her all the letters. And also, like, if first she'll learn from ka, kha, ga, ka, nga, and then I give her some reward. And when she like finishes maybe 3 ka, kha, ga, ka, nga, and next line and the next line, I give her some more reward. And every time, like when she's like finishing 3 lines, I make her write everything by heart. I make her make big charts and put it in a board in her room. So yeah, that is basically how I taught her the letters. And after teaching her the letters, when they started words in school, it was very difficult for her, because most of the words they don't use at all. So I prepared another set of chits for her. It's like with A, I used to cut chart paper. And for all the words, I used to take pictures. Ana, Ama, Ala. Ala means a shed. So if I simply just say Ala, it will be like too much for her brain to always think and remember what Ala is. But now, if she has this picture, she will tend to remember it in a better way and for a longer duration. So para, pada, pana. We don't use it at home, so it's very difficult for them also to remember. So with the picture, it will be better. Pala, the plant, the tree. And finally, all the words together. So even when I teach her, first I ask her to learn. Also, I ask both ways. Like, I show her the picture, she'll have to tell me the English meaning, she'll have to tell me the Malayalam meaning. Also, then I cover the picture and ask her what it is. And especially during exam time, they like using these chits. They can revise on their own. So basically, you have to make them write learn, teach simple words, read aloud, say it aloud, use a lot of pictures, and I think that is it. That's how I have taught her. I don't know whether it will work for everyone. You can come up with some method which is suitable for your kid. So this is how, like, I all the things which I have done, like I prepared like so many charts for Sanjana. These are the charts which I did. Like sometimes when I'm doing pictures, I try to do pictures which are like interesting for them. I for ice cream, and like here paal, pashu and all, they can relate, like cow, milk and all. This is for Thanam. Matham, Mukham, with simple words, like mainly 2-letter words. So that is just attempts, and once again sorry for not sending this earlier. I hope it will be of some use to you. All the best. Thank you.